What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Monday's edition of Crypto Vision. Today's video, we're going to be checking out Chainlink. So if you like today's video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I really appreciate it. So I don't know why Chainlink is the only. Oh, is it back up? Okay. Chainlink was the only. Just FYI, I had this AWS system outage, right? Everything was down except for Chainlink. I don't know. I just feel good about Chainlink right now. It looks good. We're back up, right? We're back up in both channels. We are at some resistance at this $19 range. You know, 18.98, whatever. The resistance is at it's at actually right on $19. This, I don't know if you can see it. It's at 200 EMA. But just like XLM, right? Are we in a, 1, 2, and we're getting ready for a third? Or are we in a, like a 1, 2, 3? This is a fourth, and then we gotta come down and get 5. Right? What are we doing? Until we break above 20, I mean, I'm gonna be extra safe. Extra safe just because I want you guys to know that we're good. I think once we get above here, 21.94, $22, right? Once we get above, I'm gonna say, yeah, this 22.04, right? Then you can come back down, right? Close above here, then you'll look like you're like flagging out. Then you can go, because then it'll look something like that, like a nice V or a small U shape, like recovery. And so, because down through here is still, anything down through here, even the October open is still, it's still not. You're right at the resistance level. It's just not, it's not it. So 22.04, if we can't get above that, right, then we're gonna more than likely just come down, get another low, right? Yeah, I mean, everything is the last EMA to cross. Pardon me, actually, we have the 50 right above the 100. We have the 20 right above the 200, right? Either of those cross, we're going to see lower prices. Let's see on the, whoa, nice. Got some bullish divergence, right? We got lower lows, we got higher lows. Bullish divergence, right? Is it actually going to play out? We had bullish divergence right here, and we did nothing. So it's, it's bullish divergence. We had bullish divergence through here, and we ran up, right? That was a nice run up from July all the way up, right, to $27. We had bullish divergence, right? Bullish divergence. And was that a lower? I don't even think that was lower. Let me see. 31.54, 31.71. Yeah, it was lower. So it's not even real bullish divergence because you had lower lows. This is actual bullish divergence, right? So, we broke above the moving average, we broke above the sell side wall, but we've done it before, right? We've done it before. Let's not, right, just fall right back down. That would be ideal, but who knows what the market makers have in store. So for the upside, you need to close above $22 for this 1-2, for continuation of this 1-2 movement. And if we close down below, I would say if we can't even make it like today, we need to get above $20. Because what's going to happen is if you close right here, you're rejecting the 200. If you close right here, you're just rejecting the 200. You got to close up through here. You got to close up, because if today's green, Tuesday's probably going to be red, and then you got to go. Got to. If not, right, it's probably going to be a long week. And then FOMC meeting is the 30th, right? I think it's the 30th right through here. So next week, every FOMC meeting so far has been, the week of the FOMC meeting has been green. So going into it, I mean, we're gonna get interest rate cuts. Right? The DXY, when this thing goes sideways or down, it's good. It's just the strength of the dollar. It's not the equivalency of a dollar. It's not, dollars 98 cents or whatever. This is just the equivalency. There's other factors. As this goes down, M2 goes up, right? So it's going up, it's going down, something like that, right? So, right, going up, going down. So what happens is the money printers that everyone talks about impacts this chart. This chart should, with the interest rate cuts, right? I mean, it does look like it's in a 1-2. It does look like it wants to come down, like a 3, 4, 5, something down through here. Especially once you get through the 786, down through here, this 1272, this one area. That's what it looks like it wants to do. Looks like it's just gearing up for that. Right, you had your 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need your 5 back down, and then you'd have a head or left shoulder, head. You'd have a right shoulder, and you'd break down through the neckline. However, this much is. I know I got a lot of chicken scratch. I'm a chicken scratch guy. That's my profession. I do a lot of chicken scratch, right? So you got your neckline right there at the 50. You take this measurement, right, from here to here, 2.2%, whatever that is, from here, 2.2%, that's 94. So that'd be your third wave down through here. This 786 break through resistance, right? Come back down. So not a science, but you come down through here, come back up to the 618, and then go get to the 1272, something like that. So there you go, the XY, because the M2 is going to go up. M2 is increasing. I do check the M2 every once in a while. I kind of do it on the side, but if you guys want me to cover, use the M2 money supply indicator, I can for sure. But it's just always changing. It's, I mean, I guess relative speaking, it's most of TA is kind of, been hit or miss. So I mean, it's not going to hurt. So let me know if you want to see some M2 money supply. I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that. I do not like that at all. You come up to the overbought zone on the 4-hour and you reject. That is not good. If you're new to the channel, right? I've covered this a lot. All right, rejecting the overbought zone on the 4-hour. There's one. All right, what did we do? We eventually went down. I mean, we got into the overbought zone, but I don't know. I won't count that because you got into the overbought zone. You rejected right here, essentially, and then went down. Man, CHAINLINK's been crazy. You rejected right here, went down, right? So it's not. CHAINLINK has been good though. Just looking at it, like, whoa, there's been a lot of life up here on the good side, right? The winning side. But it does look like it wants to cool off. I mean, you are up through here in the stochastics. You do have momentum. You can cool off and still be fine. But, if you reject off, like we were saying today, if you reject off that $20 range, I mean, this candle doesn't look the greatest. It ends in 17 minutes. That doesn't look like a good candle, if I'm being honest. I mean, what is this going on right here? What is this? This isn't a 1-2, that's for sure. It's not a 1-2. That's, I mean, this could be your 1-2 right through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And then you get, and this is on the micro, right? So you got to have 5 waves up on your first wave. Then you come down, then you got, you know what I mean? So, but this actually overall looked really bearish. Right? Kind of just drizzling. That definitely faked out bears. Definitely faked out bears. I guarantee there's a lot of short leverage right through there. Right through here. Guaranteed they pushed it down. They're thinking, okay, here we go again, and then boom, reverse. So a lot of people are getting jacked up right now. I do like how we bounced right off that trend line. I mean, almost identical. So yeah, get above that $20 range. That'd be really nice. Right? We are rejecting off the overbought zone on the 4 hour. And so let me see what's going on. I typically never use a 30 minute, right? I never use a 30 minute. I mean, you got bearish divergence on the 30 minute, right? Bearish divergence. So yeah, probably see some downside action. Maybe come down to 1875, 1819, something down through here. Then hopefully get up for the rest of the day. It'd be very nice. It'd be very nice. So that's what I got for Chainlink today. Just a short, sweet video. If you like today's video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe for more. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my ideas. So, but I always appreciate you coming by. I appreciate you subbing and supporting the channel. I really do. Makes a big difference. So, enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.